Hi, Whitney. I like how you began your presentation by addressing your school and mentioning that we need to look at things differently. With the COVID-19 pandemic and schools being pushed back, it does give teachers more time to analyze and evaluate their thinking when it comes to assessment and evaluations. I also loved your personal connections that you added when discussing parent involvement and how it can be frustrating at times as parents when we don't understand the materials that are being taught. This is the case for tons of parents in the exact same positions, and we as teachers need to help those parents learn what we are teaching their kids so they can in turn help their students. I thought it was interesting that you involved the International Students' Well-Being Chart. I did not think to involve this in my presentation. It was very insightful to see how Mexico and Finland had higher rates than the United States. I also agree that we need to take a look at what those countries are doing so that our students can be happy and have successful lives just like them. As future educators, it is important to provide feedback and assess what others are doing. You did a great job of looking at additional data to see how it compares to ours and suggest that we look into what those countries are doing for those students. As future educators, we will have to do this with our teachers and provide feedback. Sometimes showing teachers statistical data better helps them understand the problem and sometimes ways that they can fix it. Overall, your presentation was great. I loved all of the images that you included. They really enhanced your presentation. Thank you for all of the time and effort you put into this.